Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an L bracket inside of CAD. So firstly, let's click new sketch, click XZ, and then just do this outward. So 10's fine, and then 90 is fine, and then I can just do 2 millimeters here, 0, and click 90. Then I'm going to click sketch. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go Control C, Control V. Oh, is there the copy elements, paste elements? Oh no. Control C, Control C, Control C, Control C. Delete. Then let's just re-sketch that. Oh no. Escape. Delete. To 90, and then I'm going to go 10. To, and then minus 90. Click delete. And then I'm going to go click trim. Click close. Then I'm going to click extrude. No, it's not the same length. Let's just check the sketch real quick then. Let's go dimension. Yes, and here it's supposed to be 10 meters away. Well, this is only 8 meters, so this should be 10 meters. Then click close. Then I'm going to click sketch. Let's go right in the middle at 5 millimeters. Just draw that line there. Let's just go here. Yep, perfect, 5. Now let's just draw another line from here. Click this, and then I'm going to click 5. Escape. Delete. Close. Close. Delete. Click XY. Okay, now we're just going to do the same thing. I'm going to look for 5. -10 minus 90. and now I'm going to look for and then now I'm going to look for this 10, 880, click this, accept. Now we'll click escape, delete, delete, close, on, and click pocket, reversed, okay. I feel like it might be a little bit too close to the edge there, but I think that's fine. So that's how you create an L bracket. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, share. Bye.